Hey guys, Critical here. Today on this episode of What's Inside, we have an Aspect telephony media server that I picked up from a local recycling place. It is a pretty much full-length 2U chassis made of very thick metal. Inside we have an ITX motherboard. We'll look at that later. Slot spots for 2 hard drives. Some very proprietary looking networking hardware of some sort, a 350 watt sparkle power or FSP redundant power supply, and 4 Sane 60 fans, 4 gigabytes of DDR3, VGA, DVI, 2 RS-232 ports, 4 USB, audio, and PS2. Underneath this little bracket here, we have what looks like an Intel gigabit NIC, always useful. And under the cooler, there's a T9400 Core 2 Duo. Insanity. Anyway, hopefully in the future I'll be able to edit some of these, but I've got a couple more planned coming up. Bit of a sneak peek. Mostly X-server gear, but there's no documentation on any of this. Hope you liked it. Check out my channel for more. Thanks for watching.